up, you all? It's your girl Janelle again, and I am back with another video. And today I'm going to be demonstrating how to achieve this faux lock look. If you are interested, please go ahead and continue watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's just get right into the video. For this style, I did the rubber band method. I used the shine gem to mold my hair down, and I am parting my hair into my parts. So this is the first row complete. Now I'm going to continue to do this going up. So I took a break from the parts because I wanted to see exactly how it would look. This is my first time attempting to do this hairstyle, so I wanted to see exactly how to do it. This is me starting them off. So I went ahead and pushed the crochet needle all the way through, and then I'm going to take my first faux lock that I'm going to be installing and applying it on the hook end. Also, you want to ensure that the hook is closed before you pull it through. You do not want to snag your hair. And you're going to pull it partially through and then take the opposite end of the faux lock and pull it through the mini hole that comes with it. So as I stated before, this was my first time attempting to do this type of hairstyle. So what I noticed was I was struggling to pull the hair through the hole with the hook. So what I had to do was stretch the hole out that it comes with and actually physically pull it through with my hands rather than using the hook, because the hair is so distressed that it made it a struggle to pull it through. So you want to make the hole slightly bigger so that you can pull it all the way through without an issue. Now that I got it through, this is how it looks. I'm just tightening my real hair up with the rubber band. So this is the hair that I'm actually using to wrap around my hair along with the faux lock. So I did not use a complete strand for this hair. I ended up opening it and then cutting it in half. And once I did that, with the half piece that I had, I split it completely open. And that's the amount I used because I didn't want the faux locks to appear really fat toward the top. I wanted it to look really even all the way through. So as you can see, this hair I also crocheted through. I didn't do it in the middle. I took it from the end and pulled the end through. And then I'm gonna hold one end down and take the other end and wrap it completely around. So I use nail glue to seal it off. So make sure that the hair goes completely past your hair length so that you're not applying nail glue to your hair. Okay, so here I am attempting to do my baby hairs. This is me just playing with it to pretty much see what I come up with. And yeah, you'll just see that throughout the video. Okay, so this here is the final look. I really hope you all enjoyed watching my video. Please do me a favor and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell notification so that you'll always see when it is that I am uploading. Also, feel free to follow me on any other platforms outside of YouTube so that you can see me with my hairstyles and everything else on my other accounts. And I'll catch you all in my next video.
Fell in love with Christina. Fuck with both of those bitches, but they don't bust her like Nina. It's about to hit her.